Hey everyone, and happy Friday to you, and welcome to the Woodland Chronicles week 40. Oh, I should say the not so Woodland Chronicles. Tim Wilde is on his way, flying out as we speak to the Angel Conference. If you're joining him for that, I'm sure you're going to have an amazing time. He asked me to step in and do a video for him today in his absence. As you know, he never likes to leave you guys without one. Sadly, I couldn't make it to the woods today, but I wanted to do a video for you anyway. And I sat down this morning and I just thought I'd just tune in and see what's a good subject, what's needed right now. And the first word that came to me was peace. Something we all want, isn't it? We all want to find more peace in our lives. And the amazing Ascended Master Merlin came through with a message that I want to share with you. He's quite fired up this morning, actually. Quite an interesting message. He's going to drop some hard truths for us, but it's a good message and I want to share it. Peace is and always will be an obtainable goal. Yet for so many, it seems so far out of reach. So what is required for the obtainment of peace, I hear you ask? Well, first and foremost, the ability to let go. So often, we hear you point the proverbial finger at external sources. Time, disruption, people, duties. We see you give your control and your power over to these external matters. Peace comes from within. You draw it through you and then create the environment around you that you wish it to fill. That may mean saying no to someone, or asking yourself if the thing that you think you need to do right now is really more important than your peace. It may mean getting up earlier or staying up later. Or it may just mean choosing self-care over that of another. I realise my words may seem firm today, but this is a subject we hold so dear. We so often hear the cries of humanity calling for peace, and we stand ready to assist. But we may not intervene unless the opportunity is given by the incarnate themselves. This is my guidance to you today. Yours in loving remembrance, Ascended Master Merlin. So, yeah, there you go. I myself am guilty of this. I will put my hand straight up in the air and say that I am guilty to this. I'm always asking for more peace in my life. But so rarely do I give myself the opportunity to do it. There's always things that need to do, work that needs to be done, chores that need to be done, all sorts of things that very, very easily put in front of ourselves. But, as we talk about, as Tim talks about all the time, self-care is so important. And we can't find peace without taking the opportunity for it. So I figured today, we're sat here, you're watching this video, I'm in a nice quiet peaceful room and the energy in here. Let's just take an opportunity for peace, shall we? Let's just take a couple of minutes. And what I just want to share with you is an exercise. This is just the very, very beginning intro to a workshop I did recently, ironically called An Opportunity for Peace. And this was something that I was very strongly guided to do, which is really just to kind of meditate on the words of peace, love and harmony, because words have power. That's why mantras are so powerful. They have a power to them, and when we use them, when we meditate on them, they can have quite a profound effect on us, and this is what I was guided to do. So if you feel like joining me today, let's just take a moment out, shall we? And then just create an opportunity for peace. You can do this either with your eyes open or closed. Just take a deep breath in and just set your intention for a moment of peace. This space is yours. No disruptions, no nothing. This is just for you. Peace, love, harmony. Let us meditate for a moment on the meaning of each of these powerful words. Feel the vibration of each one as we let it sink into our energy. Say each one out loud or in your head 3 times if you wish. I am at peace. I am at peace. I am at peace. Just allow that to reverberate through us for a moment. Peace is defined as a freedom from disturbance or tranquility. Just feel that freedom of the word. Feel the tranquility as it washes over you. I am at peace. Just make a conscious decision to welcome this into your energy fields. And take a deep breath in, breathing in peace. And as you exhale, just allow yourself to release any stress or tension that you may be feeling. I am at peace. Next, let us focus on love, defined as an intense feeling of affection. If you wish to, let's say it out loud or in your head 3 times, aligning your vibration with it. I am love. I am love. I am love. And let us just focus for a moment on someone you love, or something you love, or perhaps even something you love to do. And as you think about that, just allow that affection to wash over you. And breathe in that love. And as you exhale, just allow yourself to let go of any lower vibrations. Allowing the energy of love to fill you up, raising your vibration as it does. Feel your heart expanding. And be love. Next, let us look at harmony, the state of being in agreement or concord. Once again, say it out loud or in your head 3 times, allowing its vibration to flow through you. I am harmonious. I am harmonious. I am harmonious. Just feel yourself coming back into harmony. Feeling your bodies and fields unifying. Your chakra column coming back into alignment. Grounding back into earth in perfect balance with the ground beneath you. And breathe in harmony. Welcome it into your bodies and fields. And as you exhale, just make a choice to let go of anything that is not in alignment to your highest self. Feel the harmony between your heart and your mind. And know that you are whole. Just relax here just for a moment longer. Just contemplating the vibration of these 3 powerful words and feeling their beautiful vibration. And when you're ready, open your eyes. There we go. A very simple exercise. We can do that at any time. It just takes a few minutes just to take that time for us, take a step back from the rest of the world and set us up to move forward in a better place. Just feeling that peace. So there we go. Merlin's words for us there today. They're there to help us with it. We can ask for them for help. But we just have to create the time and the space for them to do that, for them to step in. Even just taking a few minutes and calling them in, and just allowing that energy to come through you, just allowing it to flood through your fields and entering out to fill the room around you. There we go. I hope that's helped you today. And whatever you're doing, whether you're joining Tim and the Angel Congress or you're just going about your business, I hope you have the most beautiful day. I'll pop the link for that workshop. There's a recording of that available. If you enjoyed that and you want to check out more of the entire workshops, just about embodying peace and bringing that energy into you, allowing you to have that space. So if you feel inclined to check that out, I'll pop the link below. I'll also include the link if you're not already signed up. Tim Wild and I are coming together next Thursday night for our workshop, Upgrading the Ascension Nervous System, which is going to be a really powerful, beautiful night and set us up with upgrades and a massive clearing to help us move forward with our nervous systems, begin the healing process and get ourselves into a better physical state as we move through this ascension process. And I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys, some of you there. Anyway, hope to see you again soon and sending you all so much love.